Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to build a wildlife bridge, and this bridge for wildlife is going to actually take the place of a log that has rotten over the past year or 2 years, I guess. You'll be really familiar with the location. You've seen it before. We had a lot of animals crossing the old log bridge, but now we're going to build a new log bridge right down here. We had a trail camera right here on this log that extended out that way, but it broke. I knew that was going to happen, so we are coming up with plan B, and plan B is going to be actually constructing a bamboo bridge. Para allá. Sí, para allá, para abajo. Una para rampa. Necesito 4 países de bambú. Más o menos
4 metros.
4 metros, sí. Después por aquí, para la rampa.
Los pisotes.
Pisotes, manigordo, pavón, todo.
A cortar con la tierra.
Ajá. All right, so the plan changed a little bit. We got a little bit carried away. I'm getting too far before I could get filming again. Anyway, this is the bamboo bridge. This is what our camera is going to see. And this is what our animals will see. Unfortunately, I have a lot of spare straps laying around from the trail cameras. But one thing I need to do is I need to put some lashing on the bamboo to make it stay together so the poor animals don't roll and fall. We don't want that to happen. All right, so we have our wildlife bridge all strapped together. These straps are vulnerable to sunlight and the weather conditions here, so they may not last that long. Got the camera loaded with a brand new SD card. It's about, I don't know, 3 o'clock here on Monday. We'll see how long it takes before the first critter comes up the bridge here. One of the flaws with this rig is if an animal walks on the bamboo with any weight on it, it's going to cause a little bit of camera shake. So we're going to come up with a solution for that. We're probably going to put one of our camera spikes right down into there. That way it will not be affected by the bamboo moving. All right, so this is what I normally use for these cameras. It's just like that. However, because we need a little more height on the camera on the bamboo bridge down there, I'm going to have to take this over to the vice grip and straighten it out. While I worked on the camera mount, Marvin worked on the weeds. So after our bending process right there, we've been able to get the camera raised up about 4 inches, maybe a little more than 4 inches. And that's going to be able to angle it perfectly right down the bamboo bridge. All right, we got the new camera post set up there. We'll see what we get. All right, here we are. It's been about 30 days after we set this camera up on the bamboo bridge. I'm curious to see what we have in here. Besides a little bit of water, that's not good. And let's see what we have. 122 pictures. Or videos, I guess that's what that means. That should be pretty interesting.